Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is precious. It is pronounced precious, and it is spelt P-R-E-C-I-O-U-S. Think pre, then C-I, and then O-U-S. Precious means of great value. For example, you could say, the museum was filled with precious works of art. The word precious comes from the old French word précieux, meaning costly. If something is precious today and of great value, it could also be called costly. Have you ever seen The Lord of the Rings? In these fantasy films, the creature Gollum owns a magical evil ring, where he becomes obsessed with it. Over time, all he cares about is the ring, which he calls his precious, in a very creepy voice. Did you know that precious can also be used as a noun, as it is used by Gollum, meaning it's a term of endearment he uses to name the ring, and you could also name a person in this way. What is precious to you? Precious is an adjective and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, time is precious, or my family is very precious to me. Precious is defined in the dictionary as of great value because of being rare, expensive, or important. Precious synonyms include valuable, costly, expensive, high-priced, dear, invaluable, priceless, rare, fine, exquisite, irreplaceable, and inestimable. Antonyms include cheap, common, defective, deficient, disfavored, and a few others. See if you can notice anything or anyone precious today. Impress your friends and family, telling them they're precious to you. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.